The sky is boundless, limitless, an eternal canvas of mysteries and wonders that beckons us to look beyond, to reach higher, and to discover what lies beyond our earthly confines. We are cursed with an adventurous spirit, driven by an insatiable curiosity that pushes us to explore the unknown, to unravel the secrets of the universe that stretch 1,000,000 miles beyond our grasp. And for this very reason, we have broken the limits and surpassed our capacities. As the sky is infinite, so is our ideas and our innovative minds infinite. Above us, orbiting at an altitude of about 400 kilometers, is one of humanity's greatest engineering marvels, the International Space Station, or ISS. But did you know this incredible feat of science and technology has come at an eye-watering cost of over $150 billion? And that's just for construction. The ISS is not only the most expensive single structure ever built, but its maintenance costs are equally jaw-dropping, around $3 billion per year. This staggering amount goes into keeping the station operational, supporting its crew, and enabling groundbreaking research that could change life on Earth and beyond. But why do we need the ISS? What makes it worth this monumental investment? The ISS serves as a one-of-a-kind laboratory in the sky, allowing scientists to conduct experiments that are impossible on Earth. From studying how microgravity affects the human body to advancing medical research, and even growing plants in space, the ISS is paving the way for future space exploration, like missions to Mars. The ISS operates like a self-sustaining city in space. It travels at a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour, orbiting Earth every 90 minutes. It's powered by massive solar arrays, which generate enough electricity to power about 40 homes. Inside, astronauts have living quarters, a gym, and labs for research. They even recycle water, including sweat and urine, to ensure sustainability in space. Building the ISS was a monumental task. It took over a decade, beginning in 1998, with contributions from 15 nations, including the USA, Russia, Japan, and Europe. The station was assembled piece by piece in orbit, using robotic arms and spacewalks. The entire structure weighs nearly 420,000 kilograms, about the weight of 330 cars, and yet it floats effortlessly in space. The ISS is more than just a scientific platform. It's a symbol of international cooperation. At any given time, astronauts from different countries live and work together, proving that humanity can achieve extraordinary things when we collaborate. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content about space, science, and beyond. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.